Do you want to know how to ignore messages on Messenger? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. Let's just go ahead and open up our Messenger app, and from here, for example, I want to ignore this message from this person. So what we can do is just hold on it on that specific conversation and click mute notification. After that, select message and call notification and click on until I change it, so that will mute the chat. Basically, muting the chat will let you not receive a notification from that person. The next option is to click on ignore messages, and this conversation won't notify the person you want to ignore, and just select ignore. This will move that conversation to spam. Now the last option is to block that person. Press and hold on the chat and select block option and click on block messages on all calls. Tap on it and click on block option, and this will ignore this message from the messenger. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.